This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel, Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
John.
Laswell.
Where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Word travels fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.
Sergeant Garrick, roger up.
Go for Garrick.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible multiple attackers. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Yeah, Crystal. Out.
Looks like we're on our own, lads.
We'll handle it. Let's get it done, yeah?
A firm.
Sergeant? Heads up. White van.
Weapons in view.
That's them. Saber to Raven. White van, multiple military-age males. Weapons visible. Moving to intercept.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side. Go, go!
Police, please! Get your hands up now!
Get down on the ground! I'm not gonna tell you again!
They fucking got it! Saber 2, what the hell is going on down there?
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired. Officers down. We need medical down here now.
Get out of here! Oh, shit! Roger! Which way? Make it fall! We're attacking Piccadilly Circus!
Just stay down. Yeah, get these people safe. Saber 2, look out secure. Raven, this is Saber 2. Where's the bloody army?
2-6, army assault. Fucking hell! There's pieces everywhere!
Raven, Saber...
me. Check those corners.
Someone!
Hostages, up top.
Someone, please! Help! Help! We need help up here! Get it off me! Please, get it off me!
Sergeant, I need you over here.
Help me! Help me, I'm not one of them!
You don't want to die me. I want to go home.
Look, open!
I want to see my family. I want to see my
Can you help? Trying.
Let me see my girl!
It's going off.
I can't get it.
No time!
Help me! Help me! Wait! What are you doing? No! No!
All stations. Bomb is clear. Prep medical, we're coming out. Okay, everybody stay calm. We're gonna get you out of here. You broken?
I'm good.
You stay calm today, Sergeant.
They said it's in half-assed, so everyone can just keep pretending we're not at war.
You're like the fucking century, that is.
Why have we got our hands tied? Let's just take the bloody gloves off and fight. Sir. We don't stand a chance in hell with these rules of engagement, Captain. They can tell us where, they can tell us when. Don't tell us how. My men been tracking ourselves for weeks.
You had actual intel on this?
Quite a bit, sir.
Okay, good.